How to report an issue in Bloodstrike. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you're trying to report an issue in Bloodstrike directly from the app, then here's how you do it. First of all, launch open Bloodstrike game on your device and wait for it to fully load. Once it loads, from the main lobby screen, go to the upper right corner and tap on the gear icon. Once you do that, from the settings menu, go to the upper right corner and tap on the exclamatory icon in the middle. You'll then come across this pop-up where you can go ahead and report issue that you may have in the application. Choose the type of issue you want to report between lags, crash, audio issues, graphic issues, and much more. Just make a selection, whichever issue you are going through, and you can also go ahead and add an additional information at the bottom of the screen if you've got any. And finally, click on confirm at the bottom right corner in yellow to submit your report. And that's how you successfully report an issue directly from the Bloodstrike game using an Android or iOS device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.